Okay, okay. I speak in English only. So, in if you might have studied average in your previous in your childhood days, but here that is the difference between mathematics and aptitude. You do not aptitude. You think you need to develop a thought process, not equations. So that is the difference between mathematics and aptitude. So here the classes, this I am taking class of aptitude and not of mathematics. So I will try to give you a thought process on how to solve the questions using arguments, thought process, and etc etc. So suppose when we say average of five number is six, you may visualize it as a number six five times like this. Let's see like this. Suppose there are five numbers, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9, and the average of this is, if you add all this, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the average of these five numbers are 6. Average is 6. So okay, okay, wait. Okay, wait. Sorry, you previously you were not able to see the slides. So, averages. So this. So suppose we say average of five number is six. Then you may visualize it as number six five times. I'll tell you through an example. Suppose there are five numbers, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And if you add all this, 3 plus 5, 8, 8, 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, and 30 divided by 5 is 6. So number of the average of this number is 6. So but you can visualize above number as all numbers to be 6. It is same as saying that all numbers all numbers are 6. So suppose, let's see through an example. So the average of 13 boys in the average of 13 boys and the principal is 10 years, and the principal's age is excluded. When the principal's age is excluded, the average decreases by 2 years. What is the age of principal? Try this question. Divakar, right, right. अनंत, आइडिया आइडिया क्या हो? हाउ विल यू डू?
13 बॉयज और इसको 10 है,
हाँ,
तो 26 शायद जाएगा।
26, 26 नहीं है, पता नहीं, लेट्स सी. So how did you do, like basic writing, like 13,
सॉरी 28 होना
14?
चाहिए क्योंकि
हाँ,
देख 2 ईयर से घट गया है,
हाँ.
तो उसको 14 से डिवाइड करेगा तो 10 आ रहा था, सॉरी 10 है ना, 130, एक सेकेंड।
दिवाकर, how would you do this problem? Sorry, you are not audible.
44 आएगा सर.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, I'll tell my method. So, so in this case, now what I told you to imagine every number to be as same as the average. So, if you visualize it like that, see, we have 13, we have 5, 10, 13, 13 students and one principal. So, whose ages are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, see, now the average decreasing by 8. So students, when we are excluding principal, the average decreasing to 8. So now this has become 8. So see the age of principal. See this the like the age of every student got decreased by 2. Where that so 13 to at 26. Where that 26 has gone, it has gone with principal because you have excluded that 26 age. That number has gone along with principal. So before that, age of principal was 10 and 20. With along with him, you need to take like 26 has to be gone with him. So that is 10 plus 13 into 2, 26 plus 10. 36 will be the age of principal. In case you could not understand properly or perfectly or with full satisfaction, they are like for in following slides we have more number of questions and more. I have included more like or to help your visualization. I've included illustration which will help you in understanding this properly. So let's see this problem. Anand, where was the mistake? I would like to know.
अरे वो 10 की जगह 2 ले लिया.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक ठीक. So try this. Pratik, try this question. Bittu,
Yes,
are you sure that this recording will not stop if you leave the meeting?
yes, I am sure.
Okay.
But why do you need this recording?
No, like suppose in case someone comes and like someone comes a few. Suppose in further like when we'll do for the next batch, and someone comes for the first day and third day, and he does not come, he or she does not come for the second day, And in that case, we can give, or maybe we'll have it for reference that we have our classes like this.
Okay, okay.
Pratik, okay, I would like to know the approach.
When the guy D joins in, the weight is decreased now. So
Weight is
he takes 4 kg from all of them.
uh,
So
that means the average is decreasing. That means the like the what the weight of D was very less.
yeah, he's 12 less than the average. No,
12 less than
16,
this
16.
average, 70.
12 or 16. Yeah, 70. 12 less than the
Uh, so
average.
that would be 58.
Yeah, 58. So 58. Then then E's weight is 61.
His weight is 61.
Then 61 is replaced by uh, A. The A is replaced by 61. So weight increases by 5 kgs.
Okay.
So 61 is 20 plus 41 should be answer.
40.
1.
Yeah, right. Perfect. See, for those who could not do the way Anant was telling, you can see it like this. Visualize it as if ABC ages are 74, 74, and 74. Then now ages of A, B, C, D are 70, 70, and 70. Like when after D joins, the averages become 70, 70, 70. But this uh, because D joins, the average got decreased. Because D joins, average got decreased to 70. That because of See, because D joins, all A, B, and C has to give 4, 4, 4, 4 to D, so that D also becomes 70. That means D was something less than 70. How much less? The total number of weight what which was given by A, B, and C. A, B, and C gave 4, 4, 4. That means to bring D to 70, we had to give 4, 4, 4. So to calculate the weight of D, you need to subtract 4, 4, 4. So that is 70 minus 3 times 4. So it will be age of D will become 58. Now, as here there it is written, so let us like here it is written that another boy E whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D. So age of E becomes 61. Now, just I'm trying for those who could not understand even after this, I'll help you through a visualization. See, suppose before D had joined, this was the case. A was 70 and 74, 70 plus 4. Then B was 70 plus 4. C was 70 plus 4. And D we did not know, but let us say we knew this. So this was 58. So in that case, suppose now this all four if you give to D, this will become 58 plus 4, 4, 4, 12, and it will reach to 70. So if you, so in that, this is how D reaches to 70. So to know how much D has how much D has to get to reach 70 is what ABC lost to in total. So ABC lost in total, what ABC lost in total is 4, 4 and 4. So that is 12. So that means D has to be given 12 kg to reach 70, the new average. That means his before weight was 58. Is it clear? Divakar, did you understand this?
Yes, I understood.
Understood. Okay, okay. So now see, now we got age of D, we got age of E. Now see from here, okay, we'll see. See A B C D. Here we have no. When A B C D joined, the average was 70. So the sum of A B C D will be 280. Now BCDE, when E joins and A leaves, the average has become 75. That means the sum of B, C, and D and E is 300. 75 times 4. So BCDE is for 300. That means BCD is equal to 300 minus 61. So if you subtract BCD from here, you will get A. That is, see here BCD, if you substitute 239, then you will get A now. So A is 41. Anant,
Yes, yes.
is like before, when like in previous sessions I used to write with hand, and now I'm doing this. Which one is better? Is this better or was like
This one
writing
is
with
better
hand?
than this one is better.
This is better now.
Yeah.
Okay. Divakar understood. Divakar. Okay, okay. I know you have some mic problem. Weber, would you like to try this? Okay, we'll go ahead. So this is the next problem. Next question. Problem. Are you trying to say something, Weber?
No.
I think you have some mic issue. Okay, try this. अनंत,
Yes.
इसमें तुम देख रहा है मोबाइल में कि लैपटॉप में?
Laptop.
अच्छा 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 30. ओके, we'll see. Okay, Pratik, we will see. I don't remember the answer. Okay, we'll see. See, the concept behind this is this. If same number is subtracted, added to every number, the average would also get decreased, increased by same number. See, like it is very easy to prove. Say, let the numbers be A, B, C, D, and E. Then average will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E by 5. Then if you add x to each one of the number a plus x, b plus x, c plus x, d plus x, e plus x, the new average would be a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus 5x by 5. So again, this is the old average, and this you got 5x by 5. In case you multiply each number with k, the what you say, uh, the average will also get multiplied by k, and if you divide, same thing, the average will also get divided by k. No, yeah, it will. So now see how to solve. So average of A, B, and C at present would be 30. See, the average age of A, B, and C was 25 years 5 years ago. So now the now after 5 years, everyone in ages of everyone will increase by 5. That means average age will also increase by 5. So now, so average age of A, B, and C at present would be 30. Now that means A plus B plus C is 90 at present. Now see, they are saying that that of B and C 10 years ago was 20 years. So 10 years, like at present, it will be, the average will be 30. So the sum of B and C should be 60. Now, since you know B and C is 60, so A will be 30. You could have solved very fast. Say suppose 25 plus 5, 30, 30 at 90, and then 20 plus 10, 30, 30 to just 60. 90 minus 60 is 30. Within, I would say, 2 3 seconds you can solve this. अनंत, ये अप्रोच मालूम था या फिर मतलब
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
अप्रोच? हाँ ठीक. दिवाकर, okay, he has my case. Okay, so let's see this do this. Try doing without using
28.
28. Common. Try to do without using pen. Okay, so see, Ganguly has certain average for 4 innings. In the fifth inning, he scores 40 runs, thereby increasing his average by 4 runs. His new average is. So I told you that. See, let us suppose that the average, like before the fifth inning, Ganguly had average of A. So every time in every match, in all the 4 innings, he might have scored A. You can visualize. I'm not saying it will be A only, but you can visualize it like this. So, but after scoring 40 runs in the fifth inning, the average became A plus 4. So you can visualize that after the fifth inning, the average has become this. So A plus 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So that case, A plus 4, the extra A plus 4 should be equal to 40 minus 4 into 4, that is 24. So see, A plus 4, you see this is same thing. See, average is increasing by 4. That means he had scored very. Yeah, this is wrong actually. It should be. Uh, Wait a minute, give me a minute. A plus 4 should be 40 minus 16. sorry. See the this A see this like the average total sum here was 4a, and here the sum in got increased by a plus 4, and this 4 times, that is a plus 4 and 4 times. The increase was only because of the extra 40 runs which he scored in fifth match. That means a plus 4 times is 40. That is this only. So if you calculate a plus 4, it will be 24. His new average is 24. Actually, Anant, you added 4. You should not have added 4. A plus 4 is only 24.
Okay, okay.
Not A. See, I'll tell once again. See, first his average was A, then his average became A plus 4. That means when he scored 40 runs, his average is increasing. That means he has increased so very like he has increased more than the previous average. So extra, whatever extra he like in the he had some score. After that he had excess score to to give it to all the four to so he gave four to this, four to this, four to this, four to this. That means he had this much extra. So this was a plus 4 was 16 extra than 40. Like sorry, a plus 4 should be 40, 16 less than 40. So that will be 24. That means his new average is 24. Okay. See this question.
45.
किसी का आया? हाँ हाँ 49. But what took so long?
Repeat 45.
हाँ प्रतीक,
45.
we will see. We'll see. See the see if you multiply this by 5, this will become 10 is to 15. And if you multiply this by 3, this will become 15 is to 24. The idea is to make the second, like the first ratio is between first and second, and the second ratio is between second and third. So the idea is to make this second same in both the ratios. So if you want to make same, you need to take LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So to make this 15, you have to multiply it by 5. So this will become 10, this will become 15. To make it 15 here, you need to multiply by 3. So if you multiply it by 3, it will become 15, and here it will become 24. Now you can club this. Now the ratio of first is to second is to third is 10 is to 15 is to 24. Now this 49k is this. So k is 3, and so the number is the second number is 15 3 is 45. 15 3 is 45. Anant, what mistake you like? Maybe you
I said
thought
49
that.
only. I said 49 only. You used to put 49.
But answer is
Sorry,
45.
45 only I said. You said we used to put 45.
Okay. I heard like 14. Okay. Not an issue. See, try this. Like, don't try. Tell me how will you do this? Find the average of below numbers. I'm just asking. Like, will you add and subtract, divide it by four?
No, no. Like if you consider two numbers 60, 60, that should be 60 again. This sum is 120 again. So 60 it should. When you look at
So
the numbers,
average of this is 60, and then average of this is 60 again. So 60 it should be. Yeah, that is one very good observation. Because see, but in that case, suppose one more 60 would be there, would have been. Then in that case, not 60, let's say 30 it would be. Then I just want to say that if you need to take weighted average in case you are doing like this. But because here this the average of two number is 60 and average of two number here also is 60, so both is two numbers, not one. It is not like this is the average of three numbers 60 and average of two numbers 60. So if, like, in this case, whatever be the number of observation you differently, like number of different observation, number of different data you take, it will come 60 because both has 60 average. But sometimes when you say, let's say the average of three numbers are 50 and the other average of two number is 40, in that case if you directly take average of that, in that case you have to take uh, weighted
weighted
average.
average.
Yeah, that is same like adding and dividing by total numbers. But a very good, if but like say in this you can solve like taking, assume 60 to be the average. Assume, not saying 60 is the average. Assume 60 to be the average. Then average would be, see, 60 plus deviation, average of deviation. So average of deviation is first 20. 20 is minus 40 less than 60. 60. So minus 40. This 60 is 0 less than 60. This 100 is 40 more than 60. This 60 is 0 less than 60. So this is the deviation from the assumed average. So take average of the deviation. So this is 0, 40 and 40 get cancelled. So this will become 0. So average will be 60 only. See in the next case, see this is 200, 120, 50 and 180. Assume 100 to be the average. In that case, and then average would be 100 plus and the, like you said, deviation. So deviation from deviation of 200 from 100 is 100 plus 100, and deviation of 120 from 100 is 20. Deviation of 50 from 100 is minus 50. Deviation of 180 from uh, what is say 100 is 80. So take this. So this 120 plus 80, 200, 200 minus 50, that is 150. 150 divided by 4 is 50. 150 you have to divide by 4. First divide by 2, that is 75. 75 divided by 2, 37.5. So 100 and plus 37.5. So that will be 100, 137.5. This this may seem like what it is taking more time, but in case the numbers are very very large, say I'll tell you.
Can less time also. Like if you consider 120 as the average, then it'll be more easier.
If you consider 120 as the average, then the deviation will be
80
80,
minus 70, 10 plus 60, 70 by
80
4.
plus 0, and in that case you need to always divide
Subtract.
it by 4.
Yeah,
Always
subtract.
divide it by 4. Never divide it by 3 in case 1 is becoming 0.
Yeah,
And this is minus 70, and then
plus
this is
60.
6 plus 60. So
70
it
by 4.
becomes more easy. This is 10, and 10 plus 60 70. 70 by 4 is how much? 35. 35 by 2. 35 by 2 is 17.5. So 137.5. So suppose let's say, wait. So let's say the numbers are very high, like 102 plus 1120 plus 960 plus 940 in this case, and so on. Like suppose one more number is there, 1000 and uh, 1001. 1001. So in this case, you have to add 4 digit plus 3 digit. In this case, the deviation method helps a lot. So suppose I will assume 1000 to be the average, then it will become, see, the 1000 plus the deviation. This is plus 2. This is 1 plus 120, and this is minus 40, and this is minus 60, and this is plus 1, and divide by 5. So this is 40, 60, 100. So this will get cancelled, 20, and 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 1, 23. So 23 by 5, 4.6. So, sorry, 40, 4.6. So it's 1004.6. If you try to do it by the normal method, it will definitely take more time than this process. So that's all for today. I would see the this if you know the concept and the thought process, then everything comes down to how well you practice. If you practice much, this the same process will get like. So for if you like, for if you are preparing for CAT or any let's say any exam, aptitude exam, then it's not like the questions are easy. I should not solve. The questions are easy, but you need to in order to, like, if you want to increase the speed, you have to solve this simple question, and that too without using pen in your mind. I used to solve with my lights switch off in my room. So if in case if there's any compulsion to use pen also, I was not able to use. I used to solve with my lights switched off. At night I used to solve. So that's how you have to like. I would recommend solving this. If these if you feel these questions are very simple, then please do not use pen. And these questions were from the Arun Sharma LOD one average chapter. So from like tomorrow, I will do allegation. That is very interesting chapter. Allegation and mixture, very interesting chapter and very important chapter. Like allegation is not allegation, that ALLEGATI जिसका मतलब होता है आरोप लगाना. Not that allegation. Okay, thank you. कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछ सकते हैं, दिवाकर.
चलिए इतना कुछ करने से एक चीज तो इम्प्रूवमेंट